finally day 5 in our series this week. Finally, we're talking about the top 5 things that you should be prioritizing with your extra cash every single time you get paid. And today we're talking about balancing self-care, taking better care of yourself, and giving back. We're going to talk about going back to your original budget, which is balancing your self-care, having more fun, and giving back. This is for that extra money after you're satisfied with putting money in those 4 other places. If you're lucky enough and if you're cunning enough, it's possible for you to have some extra money set aside to revisit your overall budget. You want to reallocate. Maybe this month you have some extra money and you're celebrating something, right? Increase your entertainment budget. Go out with friends. Travel somewhere. Give yourself a win. Always big on charity and giving back. You know, it should always definitely be a first step when you're budgeting. But when you have extra money left, be thankful. Give back to someone in need. It's always going to come back times 7, I believe anyway. Always make sure that you are taking better care of yourself. Prioritize your health. Pay the gym membership if you need to. Because what's the whole point of doing all of this if you aren't happy? And I'm not saying money makes you happy, but you know, that happiness obviously it can be found within yourself, but you will feel better when you're taking much better care of yourself, when you're prioritizing all of this, because all of this is about better self-care. I just call it advanced self-care. And that's all that I have, your top 5 places to put your extra money every single time you get paid. And it's very beginner. Anyone can do it. Start with the very first one, work your way all the way down. And that's all I've got. Next week, we'll have another series. I don't know what it is yet. I really don't. But we will have one, and I'm excited. Anyway, I will see you next week, and thank you so much for spending the entire week with me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.